Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this right now? Are you guys fucking seeing this? There's my pole. There's one of them. And this is pushed all the way back here. There's my pole. There's some orange something. Here's my no dumping, no trespassing sign. Boy, they've really got a lawsuit on their hands. I'm not coming out here to move this with a shovel. I'm just going to document it on video and with pictures. They have wrecked this entire area and they're pushing it right onto my land. As far as I know, the town has no easement to do this. And they are over. They're 25, 24, and 7.5 right away. And they're pushing this shit right above my watershed. And they're ruining my signs, so we're definitely going to have a lawsuit on our hands here. My posts were right here. You can see the hole right here. And you can see how far back this prick has pushed all this snow. I'm fucking furious. All of my posts have been mowed the fuck down. So, I'm going to go call a lawyer today and chat with him again. There's another pole, and here's my sign. I don't know where my other sign is. Whoever is doing this is really, really a prick. Look at this. This goes right towards my ponds. There's my pond down there. I am furious. Blood pressure is sky high right now. This is my sign saying no dumping, and it's pushed way the fuck back. I don't believe this. I am filing paperwork today for a lawsuit. There's some kind of orange shit under here in the snow. Not even at the edge of the road. Kind of at the edge of the road. It goes over to here too. And onto my property. Here's a fuck ton of orange. Whatever this is, it's going to end up contaminating my water if it ends up over here, which it has. There's orange in the snow over there, which is clearly on my property. This is bullshit. I've put 3 of the poles back up. I can't find the other ones, so we're still missing 5 poles. And I haven't even sent in the other invoice for the last time it happened. I was going to send in a $500 invoice for the last time this happened. Is this one of my poles? Yeah, it is. Fuck you too. Well, I did not get it on camera, but one of the town plow guys just showed up with one of the smaller trucks and got out, and we had a little chat about how this snow is getting pushed onto my property past the town right away every fucking year, and he said he was going to move all this back in the spring, and that's not soon enough, because as you guys can see, my pond is right down there, and all this is already heading down here with a bunch of fucking pollution and goop from the road in it. And now it also has orange spray paint in it, because they marked up the road over here. And I've measured and remeasured and remeasured. The town guy, plow guy, even admitted that they had no legal right to dump this sand pile here and to push snow all the way into here without asking for landowner permission. They couldn't expand this, which they did about 6 years ago. They had dump trucks of sand come in here and they pushed it right in my woods. They're burying these trees. Right under this snow here is layers and layers of sand that they dumped right above my watershed. And over there you can see another mound where I'm walking. As we can see, 8 out of my 10 posts and both of my clear signs with red paint on them are gone. I'm seriously ready to find this guy's address and go dump all of this in his front yard. I'm getting super fucking mad. This is all on my property. This is over the town right away, and it's all on my property. My blood is boiling right now. And once again, we have a neighbor coming out of his driveway and pushing snow across the road onto my land, which is absolutely illegal because I emailed the state agency of transportation and asked. And he can't fucking do that, but he keeps doing it. So it's really interesting that these entitled men think they can keep dumping snow on my land for some reason. So as we can see, my neighbor is coming off of his driveway still. This happened yesterday right in front of me. And he's going across the road and pushing snow onto my land from his driveway, which is absolutely illegal in this state, and just, you know, a wicked fucking dick move. And yesterday, I saw him doing it, and I stopped and turned and looked at him, and I was like, hey, can you not do that? And so that really worked, because I saw him again in his tractor, and as we can see, maybe not on camera, but there's some tractor tread marks right here in the snow, and there's a pile of snow on my land. And this pile of snow on my land is maybe 50 feet from my water source down here. So I don't really know what to do about this. I really don't like confronting people, especially about shit that they're doing when they're being dicks. But like, this is not acceptable. There are now 2 piles of snow pushed onto my fucking land, even after I said something, so this is fun. So as we can see here, the town has 50 feet to turn their plow trucks around right here without touching my property line. If they go all the way to my property line here, they have 50 feet to turn around. Look at that. 50 feet in this wide spot here on the road, which is actually the turn around, because it's the only place wide enough to turn a vehicle around. So unless their plow truck is 45 fucking feet long, and we know it isn't, because that's ridiculous, they do not need to be on my property at all. Wow, it's really coming down right now, huh? They don't need to be on my property. Now, let's see how far they have to turn around if we go over to where my poles were. And I say were because this fucking prick knocked them down and plowed them into the snowbank again. And I was only able to recover like 4 of them the other day. They have 60 feet to turn around where my poles are, give or take. So unless the plow truck is, 50 feet long, and we know it's not, because that's ridiculous, I'm guessing the plow truck is, with the plow on it, maybe 30 feet long.